Dear Jack, greetings from the Refuge. How are you? I'm okay. Guess I wasn't much help yesterday. Snyder soaked me real good with my crutch. Oh, yeah, Jack. This is Crutchie, by the way. These here guards, they is rude. They say jump, boy, you jump or you're screwed. But the food ain't so badly so far, 'cause so far they ain't brung us no food. Ha, ha. I miss the rooftops, sleeping right out in the open, in your penthouse in the sky. There's a cool breeze blowing even in July. Anyway, oh, so guess what? There's this secret escape plan I got. Tie a sheet to the bed, toss the end out the window, climb down, then take off like a shot. Maybe though, not tonight. I ain't slept and my legs still ain't right. Hey, but Pulitzer, he is going down. And then Jack, I was thinking we might just go, like you were saying, where it's clean and green and pretty, with no buildings in your way, and you're riding Palominos every day. Once that train makes, I hate this place. I'll be fine, good as new. But there's one thing I need ya to do. On the rooftop you said that a family looks out for each other. So you tell all the fellas from me to protect one another. The end. Your friend, your best friend, your brother, Crutchie.